ask them if they want to be evacuated. Some have asked to be evacuated out of Israel. Some now, nung una, sa Iran, ayaw nila munang umalis. Pero ngayon, meron nang sinasabi na kailangan, wala silang, natatakot na sila kaya nagpapatulong na makalabas. Ang naging problema natin sa pag-evacuate sa kanila ay dahil sa gera, maraming sarado na airport. Kaya nag-ahanap tayo ng ruta kung saan sila mailabas. But we have been able to do that. First batch, in fact, Secretary Dak is already on his way to Israel, to Jordan. Coordinate niya both evacuees from Israel and the evacuees from...
Alert level fever for mandatory repatriation?
No, not yet. We generally leave it to each individual or each family to decide for themselves whether or not they feel safe or whether or not they would like to be evacuated.
And it is my vow to make sure that your well-being remains our foremost foreign policy concern.
Naghahanda na ang Department of National Defense o DND sakaling matuloy ang gagawing paglilikas sa mga overseas Filipino workers sa gitnang silangan, partikular sa Iran at Iraq. Ayon kay DND Secretary Delfin Lorenzana, 2 landing ship na kayang magsakay ng tig-500 tao, 2 C-130 at isang C-295 planes ang kanilang ipadadala para sa paglilikas sa mga OFW. Magdideploy din ang Armed Forces of the Philippines ng 2 batalyong mga sundalo para tumulong sa repatriation.
Ang idea ni Presidente is padala tayo doon just in case na kailangan ng mga tao natin na protection. Ito battalions will not be there to engage in combat with anybody but to facilitate or help assist in the repatriation.